Icon just dropped a feature that has literally cut our creative workflow time in half. If you've been following our batch production system, you already know the bottleneck. Every time you generate new ads, you're manually deciding on your angle, your persona, your messaging, your hook, every single time. And if you're running multiple personas, nurses, moms, grandmas, whatever, you're constantly context switching, trying to remember what language resonates with each audience, what pain points to hit, what angles have you tested already. It's exhausting and it's slow. I've been saying for months that the future of AI ad creative is preloaded strategic inputs. You do the thinking once and the system executes forever. Well, Icon's getting pretty close right now. They added something called the ad angles, and on the surface, it looks like something pretty simple. You add messaging angles to each of your products on there, and Icon can remember the angles. But here's what nobody's talking about yet. There's a way to use this feature that completely changes how you batch your ads altogether. Instead of one product with generic angles, you create separate products for each persona, each awareness level even, and each stage of the customer journey. So now every single angle is specific to that exact person in that exact mindset and awareness stage. And the result is you go from manually assembling every ad strategy to selecting one option and generating. If you're using our Google Sheet batch tracker, that used to handle the persona, angle, awareness level, hook pattern. Now Icon handles the persona, awareness level, and angles automatically. You basically just need to tell it which hook pattern to use in the ad and you're good to go. Let me show you exactly how I've set this up. All right, so now you can see I'm inside of Icon. I got the two Hashiate products set up already. It's really, I just copy and pasted the website address and then it pulled the description images automatically. So basically, once you have your product set up, now there's an option here, view ad angles. Yours probably won't have any, you'll have to click regenerate, but regenerate ad angles, you can kind of give it direction, or since this is just the main product listing, I'm just gonna leave it and click generate. And this is how you'll get some more generic ones than what we're looking for. All right, so it came up with them. They are pretty generic. 30-day supply in one bottle, swollen face every morning, heart palpitations. So they're pretty generic. They're not targeted towards anything. And that's when we took it a step further and set up the nurse angle of the Hashiate product. And there, basically all we did, in the other one it says individuals here, swap that for nurses, so that way the whole product itself is targeted towards nurses. Then, go to your ad angles, regenerate angles towards nurses and generate. So now you can see it made angles that are a little bit more specific to nurses. Your voice gets hoarse by the end of your shift. Let's see, nursing level cortisol spikes, a nurse's compromised immunity. So these are a lot better. Like the ads that come out of these will be way, way better than the ads that come out of our first product. But we're going to take it one step deeper. You know how we're always using our personas? Now we're going to tie in the awareness level to the product itself specifically. Same thing, same exact description, swapped it to nurses, except now I'm saying unaware nurses. Go to the ad angles, regenerate, angles towards nurses with an unaware awareness level, generate. All right, so now you can see that they're towards an unaware nurse. Insufficient stomach, oh, that one doesn't even have anything to do with it. Hospital food lacks thyroid supporting minerals. Most nurses don't get enough iodine cofactors. Standing all day increases. So now they are specifically towards nurses and specifically towards the unaware audience where we're just trying to grab their attention. So let's go over to the AI CMO and generate some ads using all three of these so we can see the differences. So we'll do Hashiate itself, generate 20, nurse angle, generate 20, nurses unaware, generate 20. We can look at these when they finish up in a sec. All right, so here's an example of kind of what the three different products we just set up will spit out ad-wise. So this is just the normal Hashiate product. We didn't do any specific angles, all kind of generic. They're definitely interesting. Then we go to the nurse angle, a little bit better. It's definitely targeted towards nurses. This one's pretty good. So it's targeted, they still just look a little iffy. Some of them are pretty good though. Then we go to the awareness level one and they're actually pretty decent. They're super targeted. And these are all towards the unaware that we set up. Bird on the shoulder. But you can see the ad quality itself is just a lot better versus if you're just using generic stuff with a generic type product info. Then all you got to do is go through, pick the ones you like, upload. It'll pull up your ad account that you're using. I usually just do the quick upload and then you select the ad set. Then click upload and you're good to go. It'll be running. All right, well, I hope this video helped you guys out a little bit. Later.